Please remember to pause. Please make sure you have your number for the judges to see. Let them know what your number is. Come on now, stretch your stuff. Remember, you being judged too. It's not just the dog, it's you too. Stretch your stuff. Come on now, stretch yourself. And the judge is not just looking at your dog, he's looking at you too.
Cause it's Mardi Gras time in the dirty South. Better get your spot on the St. Charles Route. Before the crew attack ropes up the neutral ground. Scaffolding and tents block the zone around. And over in Mid-City, they got bros sleeping out for weeks in advance on the Indian route. Cause when the crew start rolling, you know we don't play. We gotta get a front row seat for the Mardi Gras parade. Cause it's Mardi Gras, there's nowhere I would rather be. Partying in the French Quarter.
All right, let's make one final lap for the judges to verify. One more lap. You don't have to slow down on this one. You can just walk on through.
There's nowhere I would rather be.
Darlene, you been able to find your dog yet, Darlene?
The Mardi Gras outfit is the friend.
Darlene's still looking for a dog.
For breakfast. I drove all the way out.
Can somebody please help Darlene find her dog?
On the minute it was released.
One more lap. Just give them the final view.
Got blasted in the eye by a pair of bees, thrown by a broke. From the top row of the double-decker float. Make my costume, hit the streets, put it on display. I'm gonna be cleaning up that glitter till the middle of May. Cause I'm out here pimping on Mardi Gras Day.
One last chance. We're going to give you one more chance to go by the judges. Stretch your stuff. Show them what you got. Give them the Mardi Gras. Darlene, keep moving, Darlene. You over there holding up the show, Darlene. You're supposed to be looking for your dog, Darlene. All right. Well, one last time to stretch your stuff in front of the judges. They have your name, they have your number, they know your dog. Give your last chance. Last chance. Show them what you got. Last chance. Give them what you got. I'm waiting for the first person to start breakdancing. Uh-oh, look at we got a dog dancing back here. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That dog got better moves than me. Man, that's good. Woo. Calling Baton Rouge. We're going to see who the winner is. Keep going, keep going. Strut your stuff. Come on, strut your stuff. We're looking for the 2026 King and Queen for the Pretty K9. Calling Baton Rouge, we're calling you. Uh-oh. Last chance. Give it all you got. Make that impression on the judges. Make that impression. Here we go. Got the last few.